So this is underneath of a stainless steel sink. You can hear the tap running. And there's like water seeping through a stainless steel sink. In that place there on the right. Then on another place over here. It's like, you can see where it's been doing it for some time. It's leaking through the actual skin of the sink. Amazing. Now that leak you've just seen is coming from this stainless steel sink. I've never ever seen one pierced before. It's somewhere down here and somewhere over there. The easiest way to spot it and keep it dry is to use light. So have a look at this. That's the torch shining through the sink. And on this side, isn't that amazing? I have never seen that before. So how are we going to repair it? With some special putty. Quick leak repair putty. Plumber's mate. Emergency repairs, pipes, radiator cylinders. No need to drain the system. Right, let's get to it. Now the hole is there. You see that? That one there. So it says, roughen with a piece of sandpaper to ensure adhesion. And the other one is there. Quite big holes, aren't they? Now it says on here, Plumber's Mate is a strong, waterproof, fast-setting epoxy putty designed for long-lasting emergency repairs for leaky pipes, radiators, tanks and cylinders. There's no need to drain the system as it can be applied into damp or wet surfaces. How to use. Ensure surfaces are clean and free from grease and loose materials. Roughen the surface with sandpaper to aid adhesion. We've done that. Protective gloves are recommended. Perhaps I'll use a bit of cling film. Cut off the amount required for the repair. Knead with the two colours are uniform, no streaks. Within 2 minutes of mixing, apply to the surface. So, I'm going to get busy. How much do you think we need? About that much? Right, it's got a plastic foil on it, look. Right, we'll cut that off. Take that foil out. And start kneading. I'm going to get busy with this. It's quite sticky. Right, I'm going to go. Wonder if any squeezed through. Let's have a look. I can just feel it. So it's time to get on to the other one. Smells a bit funny. I think this was a bigger hole, so I think more will squeeze through. Just trying to get those edges really flat. Interesting stuff, isn't it? That isn't a previous repair. That is sound deadening to stop a sink drumming when you fill it with water. So it goes off in 10 minutes. Really hard, fully cured within an hour. Well, I think that's got it. Let's have a look at the top, see if it's come out. I think that's it there. I've literally never seen a sink behave like this. Well, we'll see. Give it a test in a few minutes. Well, I'm quite impressed. This is rock hard. That's amazing. It's literally about 5 minutes. That one is still a little bit tacky. I bet you'd struggle to pull it off. That one's well stuck. There's one way to find out whether it's working or not, isn't it? Put the tap on. No sign of any water. I think that's a success. This sink is a survivor. Job's good and another repair. Like and subscribe if you like the videos. They're just for fun. What I've been up to, what I'm doing. Enjoy.